Hello, my name is Aliyu Justonia. Today I will be analyzing two PS using ICT 2022 entry model. So the goal for this video is to show you how to read price delivery and execute high probability trade entries. So let's begin. So as you can see here, this is XAUUSD, which is gold, and I'm on weekly time frame. So from a weekly time frame, if you take a look, we have this breakup structure from here, uh, and we have what? We have this demand zone. We have this demand zone, and if you take a look, we have what? We have this FVG here. So I think from weekly, let me drop to a lower time frame for weekly. Which one is the lower time frame for weekly? Not the daily, is 4 hour. So from 4 hour, if you take a look, price is coming down, and then after it tapped in here, then it start going up. So let's see what we have here. As you can see here, we do have this break of structure to the downside. I would like to break the chart and see where exactly market is going. We have this another break of structure. uh, and also we have what? We have this supply area, and which make this my what? My buy side liquidity. I know market might not pass this area without coming back. So this is my buy side liquidity. So let me remove this. And then if you take a look at it carefully, we have what? We have this FVG, which we are expecting price to go back to. And also we have what? We have this. We are going to trade. We are going to buy to this FVG. Yes. And if you take a look at this area here, we have, this is our market structure shift. Market structure shift. Market reverse from this zone. So as you can see here, we have this what? This demand zone, this order block. And then attached to it, we have what? We have this pair value gap. So what are we going to do next? We will be expecting price to what? Price to, from here, to come back here, and we buy here to this FVG. I know maybe from this FVG it will come back a little, then clear this buy side liquidity, because we are expecting market to buy to this area before it will, reverse properly, or it will continue buying. So what are we going to do next? We are not going to do anything. All we have to do is wait for price to come back here. Then maybe we drop to 15-minute time frame, which is a lower time frame for hour. Then we are not going to refine anything. We are going to leave it the way it is, like this. Then maybe we wait for market to what? To come back here and give us what? Give us change of character. When it give us change of character from this 15-minute time frame, then we what? We buy. We expect market to retrace again, then we buy to maybe here. This is what we are going to do. So I think that's all for the XAUUSD. So let wait for our setup to be matured. So let's check. I think BTC. Let's go to weekly time frame on BTC. So as you can see, BTC it quite uh bearish at the moment. As you can see here, we have this what, break up structure today downside, which is our last structure here. From here to here is our daily range. So what are we going to do now? Even though market is a downtrend, so we will be expecting market to retrace back to this FVG here. So the journey that market will do from here to here is entire uptrend on a lower time frame. Because don't be confused that maybe we are saying follow the trend, follow the trend. Yeah, follow the trend, but this is a higher time frame. This is a weekly time frame. So like this retracement, this is just one candle from this time frame, is a trade for the entire week. So just the journey from here to here is entire downtrend on a lower time frame. So we are going to, trade this market to this FVG on BTC. So from here, let's drop to what? Let's drop to 4 hour. So this is the structure here. So let's read the structure. So as you can see here, I think we have this as our what? Market structure shift to the upside. Market structure shift, and then what? Market come back here, tapped into this what? This demand zone, because here it has FVG and order blocks, so that's why I just mark it as demand zone. If I like, I can separate them. This is what? This is order block here, and here is the FVG. So I just wanted to mark it as my demand zone. And then from here, market give us another what? Break up structure. After this change of character, we got what? Break up structure. Then from there, market give us what? Give us another break up structure. After what? After it tapped in here. Or should I call it after it grabbed a liquidity from here? After it sweep a liquidity. Did it sweep? Okay, it sweep this. Then, so for us to trade, like to buy into this FVG, we need to have what, this breakup structure, so that we will wait for market to come back here and buy to here or to somewhere here. So in this case, that means we don't have trade on BTC yet. So we are going to wait for this breakup structure. But while we are waiting, let's see if we can get another entry on a lower time frame. This is what, this is market structure shift, internal market structure shift, because market like give us market structure shift here, then give us what, break of structure here, that's internally. Then this is the market structure shift to the upside for internal structure, because here we have another one, we have this market structure shift here, and we have what, break of structure again internally, because there is difference between external and internal. So this is market internal market structure shift. Let's mark it with this, and this is what, break of structure. So let's mark it with, let's mark this, so that to this thing. So this is what, market structure shift to the upside. Let's mark it. So we should have another one here, which we don't have. So as you can see from here, after this market structure shift, market tap into this what, this demand zone. I don't think it even tapped, it's kind of used the FVG, it used the FVG. So I don't think we have any trade, because if we are to take the external structure, we should wait for market to break this structure. And I thought maybe from this internally we can get a proper internal structure, then maybe we will drop to 15 minute and take the trade. But we are going to wait for like this to break properly, then maybe we will go to a lower time frame and take our trade to here, like to buy to here. But since we do not get this breakup structure, I think we don't have, because you should teach yourself to, whenever you look for a setup and you did not see any setup, just close your chat and just go and do something. So train yourself to not to post uh setup. So I'm going to update you guys about how it's going to be for our gold here, our friend gold here. I will keep you posted. So but for now, we are going to, the only setup that we have is gold. So and we are going to wait for gold to retrace back to this order block. Then from there we will drop to 15 minutes and look for our what, look for our entry. So this is going to be like, this is the end of this analysis. Thank you guys for watching. So I will keep you posted. So join my Telegram, and you can follow me on TikTok, and you can subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you.